All right, let's talk about communication. Communication is extremely important in all of our safety programs. And this is really important with our forklift. You are in control of it at all times. And if you give the wrong message, the wrong style of communication, the wrong information, you're not going to get the result that you want. So it's extremely important that we use objective communication. A lot of times in this live training that we'll do, I'll have a couple people stand up and I'll tell them, tell them to get out of your way or do what you need them to do, as if you're driving the forklift and they are approaching. And a lot of times you'll hear them say, back up, can you move? You're in my way. Those are not good pieces of communication. It doesn't tell that pedestrian or other operator anything. So use objective standards, right? Can you back up 15 feet? Can you stand next to that door, wait there at the door until I come and get you? Not wait 5 minutes, not wait till just give me a couple minutes. It is wait here till I come and get you, back up 15 feet, do all of those types of things. So work on that communication piece. It needs to be objective. Stand next to the red cooler. Stand next to the water cooler. I need you to go outside of that fence gate. I need you to wait here until I come back to get you. Wait outside, down the stairs, in that spot next to the yellow pole until the manager comes out to see you. Those are all very objective pieces of information that can be communicated and anybody can understand. Stand next to X, move back 15 feet. That's the way we want to communicate, right? We don't want to give these vague statements that can be interpreted in any way.